The crypto market is currently at a bullish crossroads, with a total of 3 on the precipice of a breakout and Bitcoin reaching a new all-time high during Donald Trump's presidential inauguration. While newer, hype-centered tokens like Trump and Melania fleetingly dominate the spotlight, Pepe is poised for a major potential comeback around late January to early February. In the meantime, Illuminex is emerging as a standout DeFi platform on the Toncoin blockchain. With cross-chain bridging, AI-driven tools, and user-focused features, it offers investors a rare early-stage opportunity to benefit from a low-cap resale gem early on. Read on to learn more. Pepe's prospects remain strong both for the short-term and long-term ahead of major potential rally. The launch of the Trump and Melania meme coins has captured significant attention in the meme coin market, siphoning liquidity and hype away from established players like Pepe. Coupled with notable whale sell-offs, this has contributed to Pepe's underwhelming start to 2025. However, Tier 1 exchange listings including Coinbase and Robinhood, and frequent Pepe transfers to cold storage wallets have positioned Pepe for a major rally when extreme greed permeates the market as part of the Fear and Greed Index. Despite being overshadowed by the frenzy surrounding newer meme coins, Pepe remains a formidable contender for recovery. Notably, Pepe's ardently loyal community and its history of rapid price surges during challenging market conditions highlight its impressive resilience. However, Pepe's primary challenge in this bull run lies in overcoming its market cap constraints, which make replicating its explosive 2024 performance difficult. However, the expected altcoin season could provide the perfect environment for a resurgence, as influencers like Murat predict a meme coin supercycle in 2025. As retail investors flood back into the market and seek familiar names, Pepe's accessibility on major platforms and its reputation as a meme coin pioneer will likely work in its favor, likely evolving to become a top 3 meme coin in the coming months over Shiba Inu. Looking ahead to the next bull run in 2029, Pepe could position itself as the next Dogecoin. With consistent visibility, strategic partnerships, and an active community, Pepe has the tools to secure its place as a leading meme coin in the long term. That being said, amassing good returns is unlikely with Pepe in 2025. The various bullish catalysts could cause Pepe to explode in value as the bull run progresses, and Pepe still harbors the potential to outperform most top 20 cryptocurrencies in the space. Get in early to the new potentially parabolic gem Illuminex before Total 3 breaks out. Illuminex is poised to lead the decentralized finance space with its innovative all-in-one platform built on the Tone blockchain. Taking advantage of Toncoin's rising prominence, set for a major resurgence alongside Pepe in early 2025, Illuminex is expected to soar dramatically, offering investors a chance to get into a parabolic gem early on. The platform brings together essential DeFi features such as trading, staking, and asset management in one streamlined ecosystem. By offering a strong rewards system, Illuminex incentivizes token holders while fostering liquidity and creating sustainable growth for its user base, ensuring Illuminex's sustainability. Another standout feature of Illuminex is its decentralized exchange, equipped with a cutting-edge cross-chain bridge that allows effortless transfers between blockchains like Ethereum, Solana, and Toncoin. With support for meme coins like Pepe and Dogecoin, Illuminex caters to a diverse audience of crypto investors, regardless of risk appetite or expertise. Illuminex also plans to introduce an educational initiative to demystify DeFi and empower users with the knowledge to confidently engage with blockchain technology. Built on the scalable Tone blockchain, Illuminex offers significant growth potential as it prepares to capture attention ahead of its pre-sale launch.